Check out this 2013 Toyota Camry. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS, adjustable steering wheel, auxiliary audio input, Bluetooth connection, brake assist, child safety locks, daytime running lights and engine immobilizer. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.